You've drifted, haven't you? I know the feeling. That quiet ache when you look back and wonder, when did I stop fighting for myself? It starts small. One snooze button. One, I'll do it tomorrow. One night scrolling instead of sleeping. No one announces the drift. Your boss still praises you. Your friends still laugh with you. But inside, there's a gap between the person you swore you'd become and the one now making excuses at 11 p.m. One morning, the mirror doesn't smile back. It asks, who are you now? The truth? You're not lost. You're buried under layers of comfort, delay, noise, fear. But here's what I learned the hard way. You don't need a new life. You need to return to the version of you that still burns inside. Today, I'm not selling you motivation that fades by lunch. I'm giving you 8 Stoic habits, raw, real, tested in my own mess. No 5 a.m. club flex, no gym selfies, just quiet daily acts that rebuild you from the inside out. No applause needed, just you showing up. Ready to come home to yourself? Let's begin. Habit 1, train the body. Wake the real you. Stoicism isn't a podcast quote. It's sweat at dawn. Marcus Aurelius didn't rule an empire from silk sheets. He wrote in his journal, at dawn, when you don't want to rise, tell yourself, I have work to do as a human being. Your body is your first battlefield. It betrays you when soft. It obeys when commanded. I started with 60 seconds of cold water, not for abs, for proof. Proof that I am in charge. Tomorrow, turn the shower to ice. Count slow to 60. Feel the shock, then feel the fire. That's not pain. That's you voting for discipline. Do it 7 days. Your mind stops negotiating. Your body learns. He says jump, I jump. Habit 2, ask for help. Before you break. I used to think real men fix everything alone. Then I hit a wall. Couldn't sleep, couldn't focus, couldn't fake it anymore. One night, I texted my oldest friend, I'm drowning. Can we talk? He called. We talked for 2 hours. I cried. He listened. Nothing changed. Everything changed. Marcus Aurelius, emperor of the known world, wrote, if you're wounded on the climb, call for a comrade to pull you up. Today, pick one person, send the message, I'm stuck. I need your ear. No shame. No, I'll figure it out. Asking warrants strength. The moment you hit send, the drift stops. Habit 3, read less, live deeper. We're drowning in wisdom we never use. Seneca burned fake learning. Many ruin their minds collecting knowledge they never apply. I had 47 tabs open, 12 podcasts queued, 0 change. Then I stopped. Picked 3 books, Meditations, Letters from a Stoic. The obstacle is the way rule. Live 1 page for 7 days. Example, read You Control Your Mind, then deleted Instagram for 48 hours. Knowledge unused, arch mental junk. Knowledge lived, arch inner steel. Habit 4, walk, the forgotten therapy. When my head was a storm, I walked. No phone, no music, just me and the road. 10 minutes morning, 20 minutes night. Seneca walked every day to nourish the soul. Kierkegaard said, I have walked myself into my best thoughts. Science now proves it. 20 minutes, lower cortisol, sharper mind. You don't think your way out of chaos. You walk your way through it. The wind hits your face. Your breath sinks with your steps. The weight lifts, not gone, but carryable. Habit 5, build a 30-min focus fortress. Marcus wrote 2,000 years ago, your attention is your kingdom, guard it. Today it's under siege. Pings, reels, drama, fight back. Every day, phone in another room. Timer, 30 minutes, 1 task. Do it like it's your last. I started with writing. No distractions. 30 minutes felt like war. Then it felt like freedom. Every focused minute, a brick in your unbreakable empire. Break 1 chain, reclaim your soul. Seneca. The man enslaved by desire is chained tighter than any prisoner. Your chains aren't iron. They vibrate. Morning coffee you need. Scroll you can't stop. Later, you keep saying pick one. Break it cold. I quit sugar for 7 days. Day 3, headache. Day 5, clarity. Day 7, I owned my cravings. Freedom isn't comfort. It's needing nothing. Habit 7, ship at 80%. Kill the perfect lie. Perfectionism isn't noble. It's fear in a suit. I rewrote one video 23 times. Never posted. 0 lives changed. Stoic truth. Do not wait for perfection. Move. New rule. 80% done. DAO is launched. Post it. Send it. Ship raw. Marcus wrote, Meditations in a tent. Between wars. Unpolished. Real. Now eternal. Your turn. Finish one thing today. Messy. Alive. Yours. Habit 8. One word. Your silent war cry. Seneca. If you don't know your port, no wind helps. Forget 15 goals. One word. My word last year. Enough. Stop chasing. Started owning. Yours could be discipline, scattered energy, courage, fear one too long, stillness, chaos rules, fire, you forgot your spark. Write it. Phone screen, mirror, wallet, see it, live it. One word. Empty lists. Conclusion. The return is now. No next Monday. No when I'm ready. This breath. This second. Stand up. Drink cold water. Do 15 push-ups. Text for help. Walk 10 minutes. Delete one app. Ship one thing. Choose your word. Discipline isn't a speech. It's daily votes for the real you. Comment your one word below. I'll read everyone. I'll reply. We rise together. Subscribe to Spark of Steadfast. Raw truth, quiet fire every day. You're not gone. You're returning. Thank you for watching. Rise.